In this picture, we can see some of the most important English question words that are used in daily life. These words are called WH question words because most of them begin with the letters W and H. They help us ask questions, get information, understand people better, and communicate clearly in English. Learning these words is one of the first and most important steps for English beginners. The picture shows 8 main question words: what, where, when, why, who, which, how, and whom/whose. Each word has a special purpose, and understanding when to use them can make your English speaking much stronger and more natural. Let us start with what. We use what when we want to ask about things, names, jobs, ideas, or actions. It helps us get general information. For example, if you see something new and you do not know it, you ask, "What is this?" If you want to know someone's name, you ask, "What is your name?" If you want to know someone's profession, you ask, "What is your job?" You can also ask, "What are you doing?" when you want to know about an action happening now. What is one of the most common question words in English and is used every day. Next is where. We use where to ask about place or location. It tells us the position of a person, object, or place. For example, where are you? Asks about someone's current location. Where do you live? Asks about someone's home. Where is the shop? Asks about the location of a place. If your friend is missing, you may ask, "Where is he?" This word is very useful when traveling, meeting people, or asking for directions. Now let us look at when. We use when to ask about time, dates, or schedules. It helps us know the correct time something happens. For example, when is your birthday? Asks about a special date. When are you coming? Asks about arrival time. When do you sleep? Asks about a daily routine. When is the meeting? Helps us know the schedule of an event. When is important for planning and organizing daily life. The next word is why. We use why to ask for a reason. It helps us understand the cause of something. For example, why are you sad? Asks for the reason behind someone's feeling. Why are you late? Asks for the cause of delay. Why do you smile? Asks about happiness or a reason for smiling. Why is he angry? Asks about someone's emotions. Why helps us understand people and situations better. Now we come to who. We use who to ask about people. It helps us identify a person. For example, who are you? Asks for identity. Who is he? Asks about another person. Who is your friend? Asks for information about someone close to you. Who are they? Helps us know a group of people. This question word is very common in introductions and conversations. Next is which. We use which when there are choices or options. It helps us select one thing from 2 or more possibilities. For example, which one is yours? Asks someone to identify their item. Which is better? Compares 2 things. Which book is this? Asks about a specific book. Which car is yours? Helps identify ownership among many cars. Which road is right? Is useful when asking for directions. Which is very helpful when making decisions. Now let us talk about how. We use how to ask about condition, method, feeling, or process. For example, how are you? Asks about someone's health or mood. How is your day? Asks about someone's experience. How do you feel? Asks about emotions. How do you go home? Asks about transportation or method. How is the weather? Asks about the climate. How is used in many situations and is one of the most flexible question words. Finally, we have whom and whose. Whom is used to ask about the person receiving an action. For example, whom did you call? Asks about the person you called. Whom did you help? Asks about the person who received help. Whom did you see? Asks about the person you met or noticed. In modern spoken English, many people use who instead of whom, but whom is still correct in formal English. Whose is used to ask about ownership or possession. For example, whose bag is this? Asks who owns the bag. Whose book is this? Asks who the book belongs to. This word is very useful in schools, offices, and homes where many people have similar things. These WH question words are the foundation of English communication. Without them, it is difficult to ask clear questions or understand answers. They help us in school, at work, while traveling, during interviews, and in everyday conversations. To improve your English, you should practice using these question words every day. Try writing 5 sentences for each word. Speak them aloud. Use them with your friends, teachers, or family members. Listening to English conversations and noticing these question words will also help you learn faster. Remember, good communication starts with good questions. If you know how to ask correctly using what, where, when, why, who, which, how, whom, and whose, your English speaking skills will become stronger and more confident. Learning English is a step-by-step journey, and mastering question words is a powerful beginning. Practice daily, stay consistent, and soon asking questions in English will feel easy and natural. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this lesson helps you understand English question words more clearly and gives you more confidence in speaking English every day. Keep practicing, keep learning, and never be afraid to make mistakes, because every mistake is a step toward improvement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons. Follow me for more useful English learning videos, daily speaking practice, grammar lessons, vocabulary tips, and simple ways to improve your English faster. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.